Hello friends, so in this video I will show you what I have created. So using this automated software or file, okay, this automation help you to convert your PDF file into the wonderful multiple files module. I am just showing you right now. So if you see here, I have multiple I have multiple PDF files. Right, you can see now using this automation you can convert your PDF files into the multiple file format. Like if you have one PDF file, then you can convert this PDF file into Word, Excel, Notepad, or whatever. Right. So you will have to just select input folder where your PDF files is located, and this automation will convert your all the PDF file and save it into this output folder. Okay, let's say and select your file format. Okay, and just click on convert. So this will automatically convert your entire files, entire PDF files into your desired file format. So now if you go to your this output folder, right, you can see your file is converted into the word file. Right, now let's see if I just same way want to just convert to my uh, PDF file into the Excel one, then I will have to just click, and the path is already saved. I will just click on I need this PDF into the Excel format and just will click on the convert option. So automatically this will convert your PDF file into the Excel file format. The benefit of this automation is even if you have thousands of PDF file, you can convert in just simple click, and you don't need to share your data into any third party. And there is just one time single cost, no need to buy monthly subscription and all. And very useful this tool. If you just use this tool, you will love these tools. So now let me open Excel file. You can see the PDF data is transferred into your Excel file, and if you just little bit expand this column, you can see all the PDF data is saved into this Excel file. Works. Now same way, you can convert your PDF data into the notepad. If you need the text data, then you can also do like this way, and you don't need to again change your file path. So according to me, this is very good tool, right? Now if I want, and if sorry, let me just show you the notepad format as well. You can see. Okay, so benefit of this tool that you can show this into your interview projects, and you can just read bank statement. You can extract the sales data. If it is in PDF, you can read the GST invoice, bank statement, ledger, and you can use this tool lifetime as it's a offline tool. Price is very cheap, 300 rupees or $3, and this is the criteria, like you need Excel and all these stuffs. You can read these criterias, okay, before buy this one if you need this tool. And there is no subscription, no need to online upload, savior are beginner friendly. So don't wait, because I am just sharing this file for limited time period. After that, this file will not visible on portal. Okay, so if you want to buy, then click on the below video description and purchase. Maybe after some time I will not able to share this automation. So this is the best time to buy it. Thanks for watching this video.